Hello everyone and welcome to today's video where we are gonna talk about this ROG Xbox Ally X again, but this time I'm gonna talk about this new grip skin that I bought from Taobao. Now, this is from a company called Luck and Link, and I can't actually find any other stores that are selling this skin in particular. I'm just gonna leave all of the information on the screen here. It is called Luck Link and it is available in two different variants for the ROG Xbox Ally and the ROG Xbox Ally X because they both share the exact same body, just in different colors. But if you get the Pro skin, which is technically the quote-unquote base model, the base skin is not water resistant and is also a tad bit thicker than the Ultra skin. The Ultra is what I got here, which is only available in black color and it is so said to be water resistant as well. So this grip here, you just buy it and then you stick it over your grips, and this grip, they're not joking. It is really grippy to the point that even when I'm playing Silksong, there's no way of my fingers slipping off because you can see how much it actually pulls my skin. And this is actually great because originally, especially for the face buttons, if I want to press, let's just say, X and Y quickly, I can just roll my finger across real quick. But in this case, it's kind of impossible because the grips are really strong. And I first unenvelope it. Since I bought the complete kit, they actually gave me stickers for the grip, the D-pad, the face buttons, the joysticks, and also the triggers, volume button and power button as well. And also the M1 and M2 keys. You do have a few variants for the joysticks and the face buttons and also the D-pad, but I just chose this because whatever goes. I don't really care much about how they look, it's just how they feel. And they feel amazing, and I don't think I'm ever gonna pull it out from the ROG Xbox Ally X anytime soon. So in terms of the sticking experience and the precision, it's actually, this is something that I'm really surprised by. Because from the user manual, they just say you have to align the top part and then you stick all the way to the edge and then everything will just fall in place. And they're correct, because when I stick here all the way through this seam, you have to go downwards real quick, this line, and then all of a sudden this part will also align itself properly one-to-one to where the seam meets. It's amazing. And then I just stick everything here. This is the relief cut where you have to technically pinch this and this part together. That's why they have this kind of relief cut here, and it works real well, this relief cut. Same goes to this backside as well. This backside, you just align this part and this part together, stick it all the way here, and then you just push in the grip, everything falls in place nicely. And then they also have relief cuts here, here, and here. Okay? It just looks so good. And it took me like less than 10 minutes to stick everything. Installation is real simple. The adhesive that they use are 3M, so it is sticking really well. The grip texture is amazing as well. It doesn't look bad. There are some minor brandings, so we do have the writing for ROG Xbox Ally, even though this is the Ally X, or whatever, I don't really care. And here is where the store brand is located, Luck and Link. Yeah, there we go. This skin is actually very affordable as well. As far as I know, I got it for less than... how much is it again? I can't remember. I got it for 26 ringgit Malaysia, which is $8, $8 US, somewhere around there. And remember, I got the Ultra kit and I also got the stickers for the grips and the buttons as well. So technically the highest end option available, and it only cost me 26 ringgit Malaysia, excluding shipping of course, but this is a lot more affordable compared to many other options, and also functional. Yes, functional. Minimalist, functional, and also inexpensive. It's a 3-in-1 hit for me, I would say, because this is such a good grip. And even for action games like this, offering grip without my fingers slipping off the buttons is crucial, especially the triggers, because even though the trigger here has a wing that goes up a bit, sometimes my finger will still slip out and fall out of the trigger, and this grip really helps me to maintain my finger in that position if I need to hold it, of course, especially in driving games like Forza Horizon 5 and whatnot. So yeah, if you want to learn more about this grip, then I'll leave a link down below. I'm not sure if they are available on AliExpress because they're definitely not available on Lazada, on Shopee, but I got this from Taobao directly because I was also buying the replacement triggers as my triggers for the ROG Xbox Ally X was broken. Yeah, that's a whole saga. You can watch that video at the top right corner here as well. And yeah, if you're interested to know how to disassemble, fix everything and whatnot, then do check all of the other videos down in the description below as well. And oh, I should also tell you one thing. One reason why I bought this grip in particular is because they respect you by leaving a gap between the front and the back of the device. So if you ever want to unscrew everything and take out the whole back panel to change your SSD, service the fans or whatnot, you can still do that without taking out the sticker because they leave you a seam. They're not connected. Thank you for this, whoever this Luck and Link is, because I really love this grip. It's an amazing product. So yeah, do remember to hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.